Okay. Let me tell you about first-time home buyers.
Okay, please.
Currently, I'm working with a few myself. I'm super, super frustrated.
Okay.
Okay.
Why is that?
Well, let me first tell you, the first thing that they have to do to prep is get the right mindset. Okay?
Yes.
Because let me tell you, if they come in thinking, well, first-time home buyers in this area should be able to get a house for $250 to $275. If that's what you're thinking, we need to look only at $200,000 because we're having multiple offers. Everything's getting way overbid. And it's super, super frustrating. So first thing is mindset. Second thing is better have your finances together, know what it's going to cost you out of pocket, and have extra money to go above appraised value. And we can finish this discussion at a later time because I'm super, super sensitive right now about
I like it when you're
I'm working
sensitive,
with because I take it to heart.
Oh, yeah. As somebody who's bought houses from you, I fully understand how you are.
Remember back in the day, we could look at like 80 houses and you could
could.
pick one of those 80.
Yeah.
Look at 80, you could sit down a week later, go
Think-
over.
Yeah.
Go over all of it.
You could actually
Lowball them.
You had no chance in prepping for an offer because you had all the time in the world to prep for an offer then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause
You
you
had
had
the
the ability to
luxury of time and the luxury of thinking about picturing yourself living there. And the mindset has to be different.
Yeah, it stayed the same.
Question for you. Did your house make more money last year than you did?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That's the question of the day, folks.
Right.
Did your house make more money last year than you did? Well,